Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're repairing some hail with Jason from Dent here in Houston. So he's going to walk y'all through step by step on how to start getting this little dent out right here.
Okay, so what we have here is what is called a fog board. So how you're looking at it, if you can see right here, this is the dent. So what you want to do whenever you're looking at a dent, you're wanting to see the center in the beginning. So you get it halfway in between the dark and the light where it is faded so that you can see the center of the dent. In this particular dent, we are going to start it off by glue pulling it because it is in an area that's reinforced and hard to get a tool on. So we're going to bring it up and then try and get a tool in it to finish it later.
Alright, so here's the final outcome. He was a little rushed for time, so we couldn't really close out the video with him. As you can see, the dent is gone. He says there's still a little bit there, but it's very hard to see. I can't see it. I'm very happy. He did a great job, fair price, really nice guy. So feel free, I'll link his information in the description. Give him a call if you're in the greater Houston area. He did a great job. Thanks for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at Lonestar__speed and Facebook at Lonestar Speed. We've got a lot of big videos coming up. Stay tuned.